Womble's channel. On this channel is what I do is used to have a business where I used to build camper vans all the time. Well, I say all the time, most of the time, and for customers. Never ever filmed customers' vans because couldn't justify the time in take, retake, and the customer paying the labour for that. So I never ever filmed. I should have taken pictures of them when they were finished, but I never did. I keep forgetting. I do come across the vans every now and then. I do still service them and that. So when and as they come in, I will film them and give you the description of those. But I've separated now. Brightwell's Auctions is now on a separate channel. Links in the description below, and you can follow that if you're going to follow that, if you're not following me. This is a channel purely for my self-build, the alterations, and because I hibernate during the winter, my excursions out into the countryside and touring the country doesn't start until end of March, April. I do have some days out, but they're all kept on this channel. All the auctions are kept on Brightwell's channel. Right, enjoy the videos. Thanks for coming. You can help the channel in the description below if you want to donate. It's all greatly received. I never beg for money, but if you want to help, if you want me to do anything, especially go to the website www.km-autos.co.uk, the hyphen being a minus sign. Right, thanks very much. Carry on, enjoy my videos.